you seen those hilarious AI-generated images of poor cats that are taking the internet by storm? Well, today I'm going to show you how to create your own faceless YouTube channel dedicated to these adorable and meme-worthy cats. But as always, today we'll do something different and not make videos about cats like everyone else. However, if you want to make videos about cats, you can, because the method I'm going to share can be used for any character. So did you know that AI-generated images can give new life to everyday objects? So I'll use this idea to turn everyday objects into funny characters. But how will this work? Well, first of all, choose your object, think about this function, consider what the object is used for and how it might struggle against its usual use. For example, a spoon tired of stirring soup, and use facial expressions on the object to show feelings like frustration or excitement. For example, a lampshade feeling gloomy on a cloudy day. And after that, imagine the object doing human activities leading to funny situations. For example, a toothbrush struggling to brush its own bristles. So I'll choose the character banana, which is peeling itself. So first of all, I'll generate the story for this, and for that, I'll give this prompt to GPT. Write a script for shorts on this topic, banana peeling itself. Picture a banana attempting to peel itself, but it keeps slipping and tumbling in the process, ending up in a hilarious mess on the kitchen counter. So you can see how it gave me an amazing story. And now I'll also have it write prompts for image generation. And for that, I'll give me a detailed text-to-image generator prompts for each scene of this script. And now that I have the detailed prompts, I'll simply generate the images. So you can use any image generation tool. I'll generate images using Ideogram AI. Simply copy your first prompt and paste into the Ideogram prompt box. Add any filter that you like. For example, I'm adding 3D render, cinematic, and fashion. And I'll set the aspect ratio 9:16 and then generate the image. So you can see that it has generated amazing images. In this way, I'll generate all my images and download to once alike. And then comes the voiceover part. It's better to use your own voice, but if you want to use an AI voice, the best website for AI voice is 11 Labs. However, if you plan to work long-term, consider getting a subscription to avoid future monetization issues. So on the 11 Labs website, enter your script in the provided box. Simply copy the narration part of the script given by GPT and paste it here. Then select your preferred voice and generate the voiceover. And now let's move on the final step, which is editing. So first I'll import all my generated images and voiceover of the editing software. And yes, since I generated the images with a 9:16 aspect ratio, I'll keep the video aspect ratio at 9:16 as well. And then I'll set my voiceover in the timeline and adjust the images according to the voiceover. And now I'll add effects and transitions. And finally, I'll add a background sound. So my video is ready and I'll simply export it. And now let's go watch the final result.
Ever wondered what would happen if a banana tried to peel itself? Well, it's not as easy as it looks.
Oops, almost got it. Not again.
Looks like our slippery friend has a lot to learn about peeling.
Next time, I'll just let someone else do the peeling.
Stay tuned for more fruity fun. Ever wondered how an alarm clock wakes itself up? Meet Ticky, our diligent alarm clock. Setting the alarm is no easy task when you're doing it yourself. Finally, Ticky gets it right and prepares for a good night's rest. But morning comes quickly, and Ticky is in for a rude awakening. Persistence pays off, and Ticky gets a few more precious minutes of rest. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos.
And that's it. Now you have a fun and entertaining video featuring AI-generated images of everyday objects as hilarious characters. I hope you enjoyed this story and learned something new. If you are a fan of postcard memes, love AI-generated art, or just want to have some laughs, then be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. I can't wait to bring you more hilarious and creative content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.